Okay, so let's install Ubuntu on VMware on your Windows computer in 2025. So, and to do that, as you can see, I have my VMware here. And right now, I'm going to switch to my computer, to my browser, where I show you how to download and install um, VMware. Okay, so here on the browser, I'm going to just enter, just type something like this, and then you see the first link is Ubuntu um, desktop. Download Ubuntu desktop. Okay, accept this. Okay, guys. So right now, as at the time of recording this video, this is January of 2024, and as you can see, we have this version here 24.04.1 LTS, which stands for long-term support, right? LTS stands for long-term support. You can see that right here, which means 5 years of free security and maintenance update, and extended up to 12 years with Ubuntu Pro. Okay, so let's go ahead and download this file. Click download and to start downloading. As you can see, Ubuntu is downloading right here. And we are going to go back to why this is downloading. Let's go to VMware so that we can do some other things. Okay, so here we are in our VMware. What you want to do is, let me exit this. What you want to do is click on create a virtual machine. Okay, now click typical, which is the recommended one. Click next, and we're going to choose I will do that later. Click next, and here we want to click on Linux and Ubuntu. I like to use Ubuntu 65-bit instead. Click next, and here I will give our virtual machine a name, and we can just say, and you can see the location here. If you don't want to use your default location, you can just click browse and choose any disk that you want, and then install your virtual machine, your Linux there. But I would like to leave it on the default because I have more storage here on my default disk, and I'll click next. And then here I want to allocate like 100 gig, and then here we are not splitting the virtual disk into multiple parts. Now when you split your virtual disk, it makes it easy for you to move your virtual machine to another computer, but we are not doing that right there. So click oh, okay, go back. This one, click next, and now we want to customize the hardware. Click on customize hardware there, and here the memory we want to give it like 8 gig. So we'll say 8 024. I like to do that right there, or just you can put this here and bring it right here, somewhere around here, maybe somewhere here, somewhere there. So I have 27, let's say 28 gig, okay, on my computer, and allocating 8 gig here is not a big deal, okay. Sometimes leaving it on the default, the recommended memory, makes things even more easier, especially if you have older hardware like me. So I have just two processors, so I'm going to leave that the way it is. So this is where we connect our ISO file. Okay. Uh, this is yet to finish downloading, just remaining a few minutes, just few seconds, I should say. And here, let's do a network. Let's leave this for now. We'll leave it on NAT here. Okay, then the USB we're using, you can say USB 3.0 or leave it default. Most people like to just change this, but I like to leave it default, because mostly has compatibility. Because sometimes when you change this and for some reason, you know something is not supported, then start lagging. So leave it on default here. Sound, leave it default. Display, leave it on default. Okay. And okay, our Ubuntu has finished downloading. Let's go to uh, the SATA and click on. So let's come down here and click on use ISO image. Okay, so let's browse ISO file, select it, open, and because we've already configure, customize our hardware, let's just go ahead and close this and finish. And here is our virtual machine. Let's power this on. You can power this on right here or here. So let's power this on. Oh, I will turn this off later. That is side chain thing. We have three options here, but this one is safe graphics. And let's try or install Ubuntu. We can do any one, but we're going with the default. And just hit enter right there. Okay, so you're going to. All right, I love that sound. In most cases, you're going to, once it's powering up to prepare for installation, you're going to see a message that says SM burst not enabled. Ignore that. Okay, just let it be. Here we are. Welcome to Ubuntu, and here we have to select our language. We have a bunch of languages here, but of course we are going with the default, which is English. Click next right here. And accessibility in Ubuntu, just click next. Okay. English, we have English US or English UK. We are doing English UK. Okay, let's do English UK, because I'm in a country that was colonized by the British, so we use the British English. Okay, not I want to. Okay, here we are. Let's go. Connect to internet. Yep, use wireless connection, of course. Just click next, and an update is available for the installer. Update to the latest version to improve reliability for features. Do we want to do this? Advise that you do this. Yeah, okay, let's do this once and for all. It doesn't take time. Mounting the Ubuntu desktop. Okay, update ready. So that took less than 30 seconds. Right, here we are. It's done. It's done, guys. See, took less than less than I know. Okay, so the installation took less than 5 minutes. What is even 5 minutes? I think about 4 minutes or thereabout. So yeah, here we are. So I can go to my browser and just click on Firefox there. For Firefox is the default browser for Ubuntu. And here we can show our apps. Yep, as you can see. The fact that Ubuntu is very light is something that amazed me. So Firefox has finished loading, and let's skip this for now. Skip this for now. Right, and skip this for now. Start browsing. Of course, and we can see uh, thank you for watching. Now I'm thanking you for watching, guys. Yeah, so that's how you install Ubuntu for on VMware on Windows computer. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye. Well, now for those of you who might be asking, oh, how do I get what's it called, um VMware? Okay, I'm using VMware Workstation Pro. Now it's free, of course. uh if you don't know how to get VMware, I have two videos that help to answer that question. Go watch them, and it will guide you on how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro on VMware. I mean, on Broadcom website. Let me say that. Okay, thank you guys, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye.